Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, January 28, 2010. This morning I'd like to go through a small example of using a library that makes dealing with web-based interfaces, HTTP ones that expect to send data through form processing, URL encoded forms, or where you want to receive data that way and be able to handle it programmatically instead of through a web browser interface. Something that'll make that a lot easier. So let's go to the browser and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Down here at the bottom there's a little package called Web Support. Show you where to find that. I've got this loaded in this image, but to show you where I got that from, we'll go to the parcel manager and we'll go down to networking, scroll down, and you'll find that there's Web Support right here. So that's the package. Inside here there's this stub class called Web Client. You don't need to worry about this. This is a class that was here in previous releases. It's all been moved into HTTP Client now. And the code of interest is these two little methods. They don't look like much, but they make things a lot easier if you're working with wire protocols like Facebook or Twitter or anything else that expects to send and receive data through URL encoded data type formats. So here we do a post with a collection of associations or a dictionary. So if you know what the key value pairs are, you just hand it a dictionary or a collection of associations with those key value pairs, and off it'll go, and it's just like submitting a form. Likewise, if you're going to get a form from the server and you want to read all of that stuff in, you can get the form through the URL, and then it'll read all of the key value pairs into a collection again, in which case you could then fill that in with real data and then send it out by a post form data. So it's the two sides of this that this little application addition makes a lot easier. So what you want to do if you're going to be building wire protocol code, load this in, make life a lot easier on yourself, because trust me, I built this stuff by hand before this code existed. It's a lot easier just to use this. Even though it seems trivial, yes, you could build all this on your own, but it's a lot easier to just load this. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.